What is up, YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, I'm excited to bring back one of the more popular series on this channel. Today, guys, we're doing a mystery box unboxing. This is actually a 1,000 peso gadget mystery box. Let's go! If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away a REALME 3 smartphone. All you guys have to do to join is number 1, to hit that subscribe button. Number 2, hit the notification bell. Number 3, follow me on Instagram. And number 4, click the link down below for the rest of the mechanics. Again, this box is something that we were able to pick up from POUNDIT. POUNDIT is a gadget e-commerce store here in the Philippines. I actually did several unboxings already with them. I even bought like their 100,000 peso or $2,000 gadget mystery box. Links to those can be found down below just in case you guys missed them and you would want to watch them. Now again, to those who don't know what mystery boxes are basically like, well, surprise boxes. You don't know what's inside. You pay for a certain amount in them. You have an idea. It's like gadgets or hype beasts or food. But the overall premise is the total value of what's inside is supposed to exceed how much that you actually paid for it. So if this is, for example, a 1,000 peso mystery box, hopefully the stuff inside is more, combined, the total value is more than 1,000 pesos or $20. So as you guys can see, it says here, unbox me. It says your POUNDIT.com, again, the website that we were able to pick it up. And just like other items that you get or mystery boxes, all of the items inside the actual mystery package are wrapped in like paper. So there's that sense of excitement as you open each item. So let's jump right into it. First up, we have what seems to be maybe another power bank. I don't know. I really have no idea. And I don't have any expectations because again, it is just a 1,000 peso mystery box. So it's definitely not a lot of items in this package. But let's take a look. Who knows? You might be surprised, guys. So the first item is, let's just take out the wrapping over here, so our first item is a Xiaomi selfie stick wired remote shutter in color black. So basically what you do with this is you slap on your smartphone, you connect it with the cable via the headphone jack, and you're able to control it if you want to take selfies. So again, it's a nice item to have if you don't have one yet, and it's a nice item especially actually to have if you are traveling or if you want to take like groofies. So that's the first item on the list. It's the Xiaomi selfie stick wired remote shutter in black. Let's keep going. We still have a bunch of items inside the mystery box. This one is a pretty small package in the brown paper bag or paper wrapping. We have the Geekery lightning cable. So as you guys can see, this is your typical lightning cable. You can never have enough of lightning cables, especially if you guys use iPhones, because they just conk out on you so fast and they're so expensive. But the great thing about this one is that it has some sort of like, I'm not sure if it's like a cloth or leather. No, it has like a leather wrap around the cable, so that should help with the durability. And it also has like a leather like button to keep it together if you want to store the cables. Again, this is the Geekery lightning cable. Geekery, by the way, is a brand that's actually owned by POUNDIT.com. So let's keep digging inside. Next up, we have a very small package, and I have no idea what this is, but it looks to be another Xiaomi item. So let's just take this wrapper out and see what's inside. We have, oh, I think I broke the box. We have the Xiaomi InEar headphones basic in black. So as you guys can see, it is your typical earphones from Xiaomi. The sound quality, by the way, of earphones from Xiaomi, despite them being very affordable, are actually pretty good. I did several reviews of Xiaomi products on our tech channel, Unbox PH, a few years back. By the way, guys, if you haven't seen Unbox yet, please do check it out. I have an entire team there churning out a ton of tech reviews, unboxings, and content that you guys have to watch. It's also pretty good quality because they do have a full team there and a lot of equipment. Unlike me, I just by myself. They have a camera with a ring light. So please do check them out. I will put the link down below to Unbox PH YouTube channel as well as website in the description box, as well as pinned in the comment section. But anyway, guys, that's the third item on our mystery box. This is the Xiaomi Mi InEar headphones in black. And we're not yet done. We have like one more item inside the mystery box. So we're up. This is like the fourth and final item inside. So let's just take out the bubble wrap. You can never have enough bubble wrap to make you happy in life. So okay, let's just take this out. So we have, oh, what's this? We have the ProMate. Well, it kind of came out of the packaging, but we have the ProMate multi-purpose travel electronic accessory organizer pouch. So as you guys can see, this one is something that you're supposed to use when you are either traveling or if you just want something in your bag to be able to organize all of your electronics. So it's kind of like a gadget kit that you put in your bag so that you don't have to scramble all around to look for your cables or dongles or whatnot. So again, as you guys can see, it comes in this color blue, denim-like cover with like a black out trim along the sides. It says they're ProMate. You have some sort of like clasp to keep it together, to keep it closed, and to keep it open. Once you get inside, you have multiple compartments with zippers for big items, smaller items. You have slots here for your SD cards and cards. You can even like put your passport and cash on it. So it's like the perfect travel companion, especially if you just want to bring like small gadgets and electronics with you, together with your wallet, cash, IDs, and a bunch of other stuff. So that's the last item on the list. This is the ProMate Travel Pack in large. So let's round up the items and take a look at the prices. First up, we have the Xiaomi Selfie Stick. This one sells for 445 pesos, roughly around $8. Not bad considering the quality of the item. We have the Xiaomi Mi InEar headphones basic and black. This one is just 275 pesos, roughly like $6. Then we have the Geekery lightning cable, which sells for around $7, 399 pesos. And lastly, we have the ProMate large travel kit. This one goes for 480 pesos. Actually, the most expensive item already in the box or in the packaging. So that's roughly around $9. So if you add everything up, that's approximately around 1,500, 1,600, roughly $30 in terms of value. So I paid $20 to get $30 worth of value in terms of electronics and gadgets. Now, the big question is, should you buy mystery boxes yourselves? Now, the challenge with mystery boxes, of course, is that you don't know what you're going to get. And chances are, despite it being more than the amount that you paid for, if you don't need them, it's something that you don't need. It's wasted money. So ultimately, it really depends on what your needs are. If you are starting from scratch and you have nothing, then mystery boxes are great because you probably will need everything that's in it. But if you already have like a lot of items in your like electronics kit, then probably it might not be a wise decision. But overall, I'm pretty happy. All of the items are legit. All of the items are authentic and original, and all of them serve a particular purpose and value, and combined, they're more worth than what I paid for them. I will put the link down below to POUNDIT.com just in case you guys are looking for new gadgets, or if you want to try your luck at mystery boxes, knock yourself out. Check them out down below. Now, for the next part of the vlog, I actually bought a bunch of fashion watches. Now, why did I do that? I'm actually, when it comes to watches, I'm more into smartwatches. I have the Tag Heuer connected. I'm actually ordered the Louis Vuitton Horizon like smartwatch. And I also have like the Fitbit smartwatch, the Apple Watch, and a bunch of other smartwatches. But apart from that, I'm also into fashion watches because of the unique designs, and they're just so accessible and easier to relate to than a lot of the more classic, timeless like timepieces out there. But don't get me wrong, there's something out there for everybody. It just so happens that I kind of like fashion watches like this one. So this one is actually from the company The Fifth. Take note that this isn't something that sponsored. I actually went out and bought it myself because I kind of love the design. So let's take a look at the packaging and see what the watch is before we end the vlog. So I actually bought two items from them. First up is this laptop sleeve. So yeah, they do laptop sleeves as well, not just watches. So they are like I don't know, like a boutique fashion shop based out of Australia as well. So let's take a look at the first item that we have from The Fifth. So it comes in this really nice black dust bag. And if you take a look at what's inside, let's just pull it out. Even comes wrapped in like, wow, it's so many layers of protection. So here you have it. It's pretty simple. It's like a black folio. Says here the 5th, very stylish, very nice. The zipper works very well. If you take a look at the inside, it does have like some sort of like suede panel or some sort of like soft leather internal. No pockets inside, but hey, if you just want something simple, classic, timeless, and very elegant to carry your laptop and other like daily essentials, this one's pretty good. Sells for like 93 Australian dollars. That's roughly around, I think, around maybe 4,000, less than 4,000 pesos Philippines. So that's first item, the 5th 13-inch laptop sleeve. Now for the watch, I ended up buying one of their thinner dress watches. It's called the White and Tan from the Melbourne collection. So as you guys can see, it comes in this nice 5th black box. And if you slide it open, you immediately get to see the watch itself. So as you guys can see, it's very classic, very timeless, very simple design, but at the same time, it's not too expensive. So this one just sells for 139 Australian dollars, roughly around 100 US dollars, or around 5,000 pesos. So not pretty bad considering the overall design and the look of the watch. Again, it's timeless, easy to wear. It's just a great all-around timepiece that you might want to have with you, especially if you're collecting like, I don't know, like fashion watches like me. So this one is the 5th fashion watch, white and navy, white navy or white and brown, from their Melbourne range. If you guys want to know more about the 5th, I will put a link down below in the description box, so you guys can check them out. I'm really excited to be able to use the laptop sleeve, and I'll probably use this as my watch for the day. And that, ladies and gentlemen, wraps up our vlog for today. I hope you all had an excellent week, and I pray that you all have an even more better, restful, meaningful weekend up ahead. Please do check out all the other vlogs that we dropped recently. We did like an unboxing of 5 summer sneakers. We did like a list of the top 10 summer sneakers in my collection. And I even did like a bunch of other more sneaker reviews, including my early review of the Nike React Presto sneaker. Apparently, it's not yet out. I was accidentally able to buy it because the store had made the mistake in putting it out on their shelves when they weren't supposed to. So again, links to those 3 videos can be found down below. Make sure that you watch them just in case you haven't yet. Guys, that's it for now. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.